Today we're going to see how to install RStudio for Ubuntu Linux. It's actually a bit complex to install RStudio on Ubuntu, but I've divided it into 3 steps. So if you follow these 3 steps, then we should be able to do it in less than 5 or 10 minutes. The first step is to install rbase. So the command for installing it is sudo apt-get install rbase. So let's start. Hit terminal and write the command. So it's sudo apt-get install rbase. And just hit yes for everything here. So we have installed rbase. Next is gdb. So gdb is a package manager for Ubuntu, and it allows us to install .deb files. So let's launch our terminal again and write sudo apt-get install gdb-core. Okay, we're finished with the terminal, so let's just close it and let's open Firefox, because next we're going to install RStudio IDE. So just search the web for RStudio. And there should be like a download somewhere. Yeah, here it is, products, download, RStudio. And the link is here. And we want the free version of RStudio Desktop, so let's download this one. And here is a bit strange, because it says Ubuntu 18, and if we go to our settings here in Ubuntu and click on About, we can see that I have Ubuntu 20.10, but we need just to download the latest version for Ubuntu, so Ubuntu 18 is the one that we want to download. Okay, just save the file. And as we can see, the file ending is deb, so we need to use the software we installed with the terminal to install this deb file. Now with terminal open, let's go to the downloads folder with cd and downloads, and just write ll to view all files. And here we can see RStudio. So what we want to do is just to click on files, go to downloads, and here we see the same file as we saw in the terminal. We want to make it executable, so hit right click on it and click properties, go to permission and allow executing file as program. Just right click in the folder and open in terminal, and now we can try to install it by writing sudo gdb and RStudio file. And now it says that if you want to install it or not, so just hit yes. Now it's installed, so let's just close this, this and this. And let's go to show application or the start menu. And here we should be able to find RStudio now. So just write R, and here we have RStudio. And as we can see, we have RStudio up and running on Ubuntu.